everyone, welcome to my room. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Emma. You guys should totally stick around if you like what you see, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram because that's my favorite social network and I love getting to connect with you guys on there. So for today's video, as you guys can probably tell, I am going to be showing you guys my room. This is my most requested video. Everybody wants to see it, so I was like, you know what? I'm finally going to give them what they want. So I don't really have much to say, so let's just go ahead and get right on into the video. So right when you walk through the door, this is right next to the door, obviously. It's this little pink thing. It was originally a mirror, but I decided to spray paint it rose gold, and now it's kind of like my travel board in a sense. I have a picture from Spain. This is flying to California, New York City, and just a pretty sunset that I saw. So some of my favorite travel pictures, and then I also just have a little quote that says, "Say yes to new adventures." I love traveling, so I just love seeing that every time I walk out my door. So next I have my closet, and on my closet doors, as you guys can see, I have these little cork boards. So I just have a bunch of different pictures of my friends and I on there, as well as some travel pictures. So when we open these doors, you guys can see that it's kind of a mess. This is definitely like the messiest part of my room because it's so hard for me to keep this space organized. But on this door I have a full-length mirror. It's from Target. On this door I have a little, like, I don't even know, rack, I guess, to hold my sweatshirts and coats and jackets and stuff like that. I have my PJs stashed up there, a bunch of random stuff here. I have like my swimsuits and my old dance stuff. I have my shoes. This is all miscellaneous stuff. And then these are all of like the clothes that I actually wear. They're all hung up here. And then I have a bunch of random stuff stacked away up top. So it's a very messy place. That's why I always keep the door shut. So next is my side table. I absolutely love how this looks. I don't really like utilize this. It's more for show, I would say. I have a little lamp. I have a bamboo tree thing that I'm trying to grow. I've had it for like over a year and it's really sprouted. I have some fake flowers. I have this cute little mug from Anthropology, and I just have a little fake succulent in there. I have this gorgeous rose gold frame with this little picture that says "come together," and it's just two hands like grasping for each other, which I really, really like. I have another little plant. Then I have a lavender candle because I have had trouble sleeping in the past, and so I think lavender just really calms me down and it helps me get to sleep. And then I have this little brown tray. I think I got this at Target. And then I just have like my journal on there, my Q&A a day, and some matches for my candle. Then I have two baskets. I have one under my nightstand. I have like my water, my chapstick, stuff for like that I need when I go to bed. And then I have a bunch of different books. And then this little basket, I have a bunch of clothes that I am putting on my Poshmark closet. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description box. And then I have a album because I still need to do all of my Europe pictures. And then I have some chai tea K-cups. So next is my bed. There's seriously nothing exciting about it except that this is the background that you guys usually see in all of my videos. And whenever I post a video, I always get requests for an updated room tour because I haven't done one in so long. So to start, these pillows, I have two, one on either side. They are from Target. I got them a couple of years ago on clearance. They were like $12, and I was like, yep, can't beat that price. So I have two of those, and then I have this little like chevron print gold and white one, which I believe I got at Hobby Lobby probably like at least 5 years ago. It's been a long time. And then I have this one, which I love. It says "Go Find Yourself," and there's a watercolor map of the world. My friend actually got this for me for my birthday, I think, a couple years ago. It's from Altered State, but I just love the colors, and again, I love traveling, I love the world, so it's just like very fitting. And then, as you guys can probably tell, I have a huge world map up on my wall. And everyone always asks me where I got this. So I actually got the image off of Google and then I just blew it up onto a canvas. So it's not like any specific place. I think I did it through Walgreens or CVS maybe. So what I love about this map is that I can actually use little like push pins and push them in to all of the places that I've been in the world. So I have places, you know, in the United States, obviously. I have Mexico, Jamaica, Spain, and then I recently just added France and Italy. And then this summer, I'm really hoping to go to Iceland in August, and then next summer I might go to Thailand. So it's just like so much fun to keep track of all of my travels and just kind of check off places on my travel list. Okay, so next is my desk. I absolutely love this little corner of my room. I just think that kind of symbolizes like getting stuff done, because when I like absolutely need to get something done, I come here and I sit down and I get it done. So I just really like this space. It gets a lot of use, especially during the school year. And I tried to keep it simplistic, as you guys can probably tell, because I didn't want a lot of stuff going on to distract me from getting my work done. Plus, a lot of stuff kind of like stresses me out, so I just wanted to keep it simplistic. So I have my laptop, obviously. I'll show you guys my case because everyone always asks. It's this marble hard shell case, and I actually got it off of Amazon. I think it was maybe like $15–20 or something. And then I have this little vase filled with some fake flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have this little plant thing. The little container is from Home Goods, and then the plant itself is from IKEA. And then over here I have this little volcano candle from Anthropology, and then I also have my little, I don't even know what you call this, but it holds all my pencils, pens, scissors, stapler, etc. But I really like the design of this one. I also got it from Home Goods for about $10. And then the last thing is this little frame. I made this myself, and I put some like poster board behind it, and then I just taped all of the pictures to it. So they are actually like picture printouts. I got all the quotes off of Pinterest. I just kind of like that. I absolutely love quotes and words, so it's just a good kind of like inspo board for me. So next I have my dresser. I got this from Target. Would not recommend. It has not held up very well at all. The drawers like always fall out. This little mirror here is from IKEA. I think it was like $10, and it's held up super well. But this is obviously where I get ready in the mornings or whenever I'm going out. So I have all of my brushes in this little cup that I got from TJ Maxx for about $3. So they're all in there. And then I have the little like makeup organizer. I think that's from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I think they both sell them. So I just keep all of my makeup in there. I have this little white thing with some succulents in there. Obviously, I really like plants. And then I have this little cup with all of my mascaras and one of my eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so this is the little last space of my room, which I love. I just have a little picture of my sister and I. I have a love what you do little picture quote thing. I think I got that at TJ Maxx as well. And then I have this little Ohio picture frame that is from Altered State. And I just have a little doorway from when I was in Spain a couple of years ago. Over here, I love this. This is just to hold all of my necklaces and jewelry. It's just a little tree that I got at Home Goods. Literally everything's from Home Goods. And then I just have a couple of different plates that are probably from Home Goods as well. I keep like my earrings on one, my bracelets, and then this little ring thing my sister got me. I think she got it at Home Goods or Target maybe, I'm not exactly sure. And then this cool little plate thing is also from Home Goods. I just really liked how it looked. And then this plant is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Okay, so this is what's below everything that I just showed you up top. I just have a little picture frame with a quote that says, "I love who I've been, but I really love who I'm becoming." I absolutely love that one. This little triangle piece is from Home Goods as well. I don't really know like how to decorate it, so I just kind of left it plain and I think it looks cool. I have this. I think the picture frame is from Home Goods as well. It's just another picture from Spain. I have a picture from New York City when I was there last year. Picture, or one of my senior pictures, picture of my friend and I, my sister and I, and then I have a little lettered E that I believe is also from Home Goods. I have a little succulent. This says, "Not all who wander are lost." I believe I also got that at Home Goods. And then I just have this picture frame that says, "Do more of what makes you happy." So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you did enjoy it, be sure to subscribe so you guys can be notified when I upload new videos. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post regularly, and I also let you guys know like when I'm editing or filming or posting a video, and just kind of you guys get to keep up a little bit more with my day-to-day life. So thanks so much again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!